Hey, what's up guys, it's Jetty here today. Got a new video for you today. It's an unboxing video. But I have here some Big Island baits. Shout out to Andy. Thanks for the baits, man. I hit him up and I was like, hey dude, do you think you could pour me some colors, some custom colors? See if I can get something similar to like a red crab or like a baby bass color. And yeah, he hit me up and he said he could. So I have the baits he sent me right here. He sent me a couple of extras, and I'm about to show them to you guys. So the first ones that I'm going to show you are the baby bass ones. The baby bass ones were I told him to try to mimic the way the baby basses look. I sent him a picture of a baby bass and he tried to mimic it. So let's see how they look. So far they look pretty good. So this is what they look like here. Little red eye. They're clear. They have a bunch of glitter. Well, they're not really clear all the way. They're kind of like brownish clear, like a caramel color kind of. But the action on these is great, man. They move so good in the water. I rigged these up with a lead head or a Texas rig 'em. I've also tried them on the drop shot. They work similar to like the way the fluke looks when it's in the water. See the tail when it's in the water, it flutters like that, and when you pop it up, they pop back down and the tail flutters down when you're popping them. So these baits are really good. This is the baby bass color, so that's one of the colors that I asked him to pour for me. I also asked him to pour me a red crab color, which this one looks really good. I like this one a lot. I just saw it right now and it looks so good. But yeah, this is the color here. It's red with green eyes. The action on these, like I said, it's incredible. But yeah, this is the red one, red crab with green eyes. He sent me a couple bags of these. He also sent me these. I'm not sure what these are called, but they are, I guess they're custom baits too. This is a darker red, like a cherry red looking, like a kind of cherry red looking. Oh, it's actually red and black. Kind of looks like that crab, really. It does look like similar to the crab too. It's like red and black with red eyes. Same again with the action on the tail. These baits are really good. So those are the four different ones. And he also sent me these ones. These are black. So these ones look different too. They're black. They're still Buggahs, but they're black. From what it looks like, they're black. I'm not sure. I can't tell. Yeah, so these ones are like a dark black with the green eyes. Same action. I'm gonna try these out. I'm gonna try to Texas rig these. I'm gonna try to drop these right into the rocks. It falls right in there. It automatically gets bit. I know that. These will get bit. So he sent me those for the Buggahs. That's pretty much it. He sent me these. But he sent me a whole bunch. So I have like a whole bunch of Buggahs, like a whole bunch. More than these. I mean, thanks Andy, man. He's great looking out. And also he did send these grubs. These are great. These are gonna be great for like Carolina rigging them, throwing them in the surf. So these grubs are the same color, like a red crab color. The thing I'm liking about these is that I can actually use this. I can probably put this on a bucktail and use that with a bucktail. So this is another one that he sent. These I think I've tried, but they weren't finished yet. These I've tried, they were clear. The ones that I got last time, they were clear They were just clear. They didn't have anything else on them, no color or anything. But these ones look sick. So these are like slugs, I guess. But these slugs have eyes. And with rigging one of these up with a worm hook all the way in, maybe to right here, and putting it on a drop shot, guaranteed bite. Especially with these colors that are really, really nice. This is like a big, giant, it's like a worm. I could probably use these at the lake when I go to the lake. So I've used these, but in white. We caught barracudas earlier in the year, so we got these. He sent them to me in 3 different colors. So I have the red crab, the pink ones, and these teal ones. These ones look really nice. I like these. These ones are a really nice color. He also sent me these. I think they're called small kinds. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but these ones are like little trout looking like baits. But he said that they've been catching similar fish to jack smelts. They've been catching similar fish to jack smelts. I'm gonna rig these up on a sabiki rig. I'm gonna go out to the Redondo Beach Pier and catch a bunch of mackerel with these, because these ones look like, I think one of these glows in the dark. I'm not sure. I think these ones glow in the dark. I'm gonna go out to the Redondo Beach Pier, maybe Manhattan Beach Pier, and try these out on the sabiki rig. I'm gonna build a sabiki rig. I'm gonna make a video to show you guys how I build those sabiki rigs. But yeah, he sent me 4 packs of these. Thanks a lot, Andy. I appreciate it, man. But yeah, he sent me 4 packs of these. So these are really good. And he also sent me this, which I have this on my car. I'm pretty sure if people see my car, it's backwards here because it's a mirror image, I guess. I'm not sure why, but it's a Big Island Bay decal. Put it on my car. I'm gonna put this somewhere else. Hopefully, if I get a kayak soon, I'll put it on my kayak. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are all the baits he sent me, and I really appreciate it, man. Shout out to Big Island Baits. I'm gonna go try these on Sunday. So Sunday, I should have a video of us fishing these. I'm gonna go out to the jetty and try to fish these. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy and give them a try, man. Give Big Island Baits a try. Go ahead and hit up their website. They have really low prices compared to other baits that are out there right now. So yeah, see you guys on the next one.